Okay, hi everybody. I'm here to give you a quick interlude. Well, I'll try to be quick. Interlude to get the best features for a unique feature called Step Inside in Google Maps, which allows us to step inside the Google Map. The best settings is to go to the top panel here and open the options. You don't need globe, but there are some special features available. I'll show you what that's about, but specifically you want to select Street View, and when you click this option you'll notice the map will change to a series of blue lines throughout Kings Park. All these blue lines are virtual tour step inside mapping. We haven't finished all the parts. You can see a few there, and as of down here, this recording is as at the 30th of September. The benefit of setting the selection to globe is that you can click on this dialog box here to change it to 3D, and using the shift button on a desktop you can then rotate the map, so it gives you a little bit of a perspective or a slight insight as to the elevations. Right, so for the purpose of showing how to use Street View, I'll select the normal map setting. We can zoom in, close, open up. Okay, so let's just go, this one right in the center is Honeyeater. So we can either click on the map or holding the cursor over the blue line gives you an insight as to what the view is. But ideally, down in the bottom right hand corner, you drag and drop the Pegman, and you can see I'm moving that across the screen, holding that over a blue line. By the way, the blue lines, the legend here shows blue lines are Street View. That is, that it's a continuous view, whereas individual blue dots are single photos. So I'm going to let go of the cursor and drop Pegman onto Honeyeater Path, which is a major broadwalk path going east-west some 1,300 meters into the center of Kings Park. On the bottom left-hand corner, we should select Expand. The benefit of configuring in this format is that you get the dynamics of being able to what we call jump and walk. For example, you might want to move quickly along the path. For example, clicking here will jump the Pegman so you can move rapidly, whereas with the top view you click and you'll notice the Pegman down the bottom there, he will go back the other way. He will move along slowly as you click, whereas you might want to just, for example, go here. Let's see, let's just go to view what the DNA tower looks like. Clicking here will jump the Pegman, allowing for the screen to refresh. Okay, so that's some insights to Google Maps, particularly the option called Step Inside. And if you come to our website where we've created all the tutorials and the insights to all the maps, WABiz, you can see here, wabiz.org, and in the search box type Kings Park Trails. And not only have we got a list of all the trails, but if you go to this section here called Trek Map, we have created a map within Google Maps where it shows all the icons of all the paths, and within each icon, red are soft trails and the other colors denote the degree of difficulty. So if you click on that icon, it'll quickly produce the distance and elevation points. That's quite helpful. Again, that is in the website wabiz.org. And please come along, have a look, and do give us some feedback so we can develop the concept for everyone else's benefit. Okay, thank you.